Okay. You know that why I'm sad. Do you know how many people they didn't do the quiz? I'm not talking about the homework actually, because there's homework and there's quiz. And I wrote this in the assignment that you have. If you read it step by step, you're gonna know that you have quiz and it must be submitted on Monday, and you have an assignment to solve the main idea in detail, the rest of the question. I have Aya, Hannah, Lamar Masri, Limar, Mayar, and Yusuf. All of these missed the homework. The rest, thank you. Thank you that you remember. Okay. Let's find now, because I have to solve this kind of quiz. It was about quantitative, just to know about your level. And I told you that whenever you have a quiz, you have to solve it. I put you quiz, you have to go through the group to find out what is missing for you. You are taking only this session to master the skills. Let's find it. But before we go, before this one, let's find the vocab. Last time for the vocab, we have 200 words. Let's start with the gentleman this time. Life.
Yes, Mr.
The word number 200.
Chronicle,
Chronicle. What does it mean?
uh, date or history.
Okay, written history. Perfect. Life. Still. Okay, take the word 198.
Child,
Child.
uh, sound,
No, it's not a sound.
what?
It's not a sound.
Can you put it in sentence?
Yes. Lucy chided Russell for his vulgar habits and sloppy appearance. Lucy chided Russell for his vulgar habits and sloppy appearance.
I don't know, Mr.
May you choose another one to answer what does it mean by chide?
Uh,
Choose any. Life.
Yusuf,
Yusuf, what the meaning of chide?
Disapproving or something.
Yes, disapprove. Okay, life again. 197.
church,
Cherish.
respect,
Okay, show affection, love. Okay, we can consider it right. Thank you, Laith. May choose another one, please.
Yusuf,
Yusuf.
Yes, Mr.
196.
Justice.
Chastise.
Chastise.
What does it mean?
Can you put it in a sentence?
After being chastised by her peers for mimicking Britney Spears, Miranda dyed her hair black and affected a gothic style. I'm going to say
Can you
it
say it
again.
again, Mr. Sorry?
Yes. After being chastised by her peers for mimicking Britney Spears, Miranda dyed her hair black and affected a gothic style.
Sorry, I would not. Can't get
Choose
it.
another one to answer it, please, Yusuf.
Najib.
Najib, chastised. What does it mean?
Can you hear me, mister?
Yes. Chastise. What does it mean?
Chastise?
Yes.
I think, mister, like punishment or
Okay. It's
punish.
criticize, but I'm gonna consider it for you, right? Yusuf, still.
Yes, miss.
194.
Cerebral.
Cerebral.
Cerebral. Um, something related to emotions or
Yeah, to intellect, actually, something to the brain. Okay, Yusuf. The last one, Yusuf. 192.
cavert. Cavert.
Forward. Okay.
To leap.
To leap. Okay, Yusuf, thank you. Me choose another one, please.
Najib.
Najib. 190.
190?
Yes.
Caucus.
Okay, what does it mean?
Caucus means like meeting or
Meeting. Okay, meeting with the same goal. 2 points.
meeting with what?
Meeting with the people that they have the same goal. Like you
Oh,
want to play football and you decide your friends to make a gathering, this will call it caucus. Okay? Because you
yes.
decide that all of you are going to play football. 187.
100
Najib.
carp.
What does it mean?
Carp means like uh I don't know. Can you give me a sentence?
The husband divorced his wife after listening to her carping voice for decades.
Loud voice?
Okay, annoying voice, loud voice.
Annoying. Yeah.
Okay, another one. 185.
Captivate.
Captivate. What does it mean?
Captivate to like attract. No, not attract.
Yes, yes, to
To
attract.
attract?
Excellent. Okay, you have extra points. We're gonna give it to whom?
Who's still?
All girls.
Girls? Okay. Sarah.
Okay, Sarah.
Okay.
183.
183.
Yes.
Capitulate.
Capitulate. What does it mean?
Surrendering.
Excellent. 181.
Canvas.
What does it mean?
Like an artist uses it, like
Oh, yeah, a piece of cloth. Excellent. 177.
which one?
177.
Calumny.
Calumny.
Spreading lies or
Excellent.
Right.
Spoil somebody. You have extra point. You're gonna give it to whom?
Limar.
Limar.
Yes, mister.
Okay. 176.
Callous.
Mm-hmm.
Cold.
Okay. 2 points. 173.
Cajole.
Yes.
To force.
Okay, to force. Excellent. Limar, may choose another one, please?
Hannah.
Hannah?
Yes.
172.
Cadence.
Cadence.
Can you give me a sentence?
The pianist used the fourth pedal to emphasize the cadence of the sonata.
The sound.
Sound, rhythm. Okay. 1 point, Hannah. $171.
Cacophony.
Yeah, cacophony.
Can you give me a sentence?
The elementary school orchestra created a cacophony at the recital. What?
Like a song?
A song?
Yeah.
But this kind, actually, it will make a kind of chaos inside the building. So do you think the song?
Like a bad song, like something loud.
Okay, something noisy. Okay, it's considered right. But also 1 point. 169. Hannah.
Burnish.
What? Burnish.
Burnish.
Yes.
To polish.
Excellent. To polish. Okay, Hannah, 2 points. 167.
Clay.
What?
Clay.
Bersic.
Dorset.
Yes.
And I think a short.
Okay. So Hannah, you have extra point. You're gonna give it to whom?
Siba.
To whom?
Siba.
Okay, Siba.
Yes, mister.
166.
What number?
166.
Brazen.
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 Uh-huh.
It means like someone who's like rude.
Okay. 2 points. 164.
Boon.
Boon. What does it mean?
It's like favor.
Okay, it can be, but it's a gift or blessing, but I'm gonna consider it right. Siba. Okay, Siba, 163.
Bombastic.
What does it mean?
Is it like something that's puffy?
Something that what?
That's puffy.
Okay, may you give me more elaboration?
It's like
You're right, but I want more elaboration to let them understand it.
something that's pompous or like it's huge
Okay.
or like
Yes. It's confident or pompous. You have extra points, Siba. You're gonna give it to whom?
Lamar.
Lamar.
Yes, mister.
161.
Blight.
Plight. What does it mean, plight?
Blight.
Do you want a sentence?
Yes, please.
Okay. We can say the potato blight destroyed the harvest and bankrupted many families.
Is it like less in number or?
No. The coronavirus blight let many people die.
Big problem?
It's a disease, Lamar. I give you 1 point, okay?
Oh, okay.
159.
Blandish.
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 Hmm? Sentence.
Yes, please.
Rachel assistant tried to blandish her into accepting the deal. Rachel's assistant tried to blandish her into accepting the deal.
Like to like say like nice words or like a kind way.
Me say it again?
Give like nice words.
Nice words?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Yes, to deceive her. Excellent. 1 point. Okay. 158.
Bilk. Bilk.
Bill. Yes.
It's like
Waiting Lamar. Well, the minute Bill.
it's like a trick.
Yes, to cheat somebody or trick somebody. Excellent. Okay, Lamar. I think we still have only Mayar.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Mayar.
Yes.
Okay. Mayar, 157.
Bias.
Bias.
Yes. Can you give me a sentence?
It has the same meaning in Arabic, in Egyptian slang language. The same thing.
In Arabic in Egypt?
Yes, the Egyptian slang language. Read it in Egyptian way.
I don't know.
Read it in Egyptian way.
How in Egyptian way?
Read it and just make a kind of a kind of analogy for Egypt slang language. You're Egyptian, Mayar. Read it.
Bias.
Huh?
I don't know.
Yes, you're right. See?
Bias. Bias.
Huh? It's what? You said it.
I don't know.
Bias.
Bias. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna consider only 1 point.
Okay.
Bias means something that you are not using facts and you are making something like a weaknesses for yourself. Because of that, it looks like the Egyptian word.
Oh, okay.
155.
The rest.
Yes.
Divide off.
Okay. 2 points. 154.
Great.
Uh-huh.
Can you give me a sentence?
Your mom, after you miss the homework, will berate you.
She'll
Huh?
she'll get mad.
Yeah,
Like,
scold, mad. Okay. 152.
benign.
Benign.
Like love something. Or
Okay.
kindly.
Favorable. Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you, Mayar.
You're welcome.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to the quiz of last time that most of you didn't solve it. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 10. They didn't solve this test or this quiz. It's about sub skill number 3 under the skill of evidence that we call it quantitative evidence. Okay. The first question, he said to complete the example, and I told you the one that relate to complete is the easiest one. It's the easiest one. I need only the part. Just wait. I need only the part that has the example, or the last part. As you can see here. Oh my God. Again. Okay, forget about it. So I'm gonna take from, for example, the graph showed that for the west region, the west where? I need only for west region here. I need only this part, the west region. Okay, let's go to read all the things here. It said amount of additional electricity wind turbines could generate when winds were stronger than forecast. When winds were stronger than forecast. So stronger. So down, I have to search for the word strong. Here is strong, here weak, here strong. So I'm gonna take strong. Which one is right now? A or D? A or D? Because it said up strong. A or D? Let's find. Strong enough to generate about 150,000 more MWH of electricity from wind turbines? Yes, 150. It's right. Let's look here. Strong enough to generate about 175,000? No, it's 150 for the West. 150 for the West. And as I told you, it's one of the easiest part that you can solve it without even taking a minute. I don't know why it doesn't want to. Okay, it's highlighted. So only this part. I'm talking to the people that they got wrong. Light, clear?
Clear, Mr.
Number two, what he want? He want to support the conclusion. Do we have concluded here? Yes, it's here. So reviewing the data, a student conclude that the mere presence of anger in a review may not negatively affect reader perception of the review, but a high degree of anger in the review worsen reader perception of the review. So we're talking about the perception. And the perception means helpfulness, not attitude. The perception means helpfulness. So I don't care about the attitude if I have any answer. So now I need to support that little anger will not affecting negatively the reader perception, but high anger will affect it. Okay, let's find A. On average, participant rating of the helpfulness of the review were substantially higher than were participant rating of the review product. I didn't talk about the product, and nothing here talk about the product. But let's continue. Regardless of which type of review participant had seen. No, even if this right, it's regardful, not regardless. Because the type of review, this what will mention for us what happened. Let's look at B. Compared with participant who saw the control review, this is the control. The one that is a little bit, this one, this is the control. Participant who saw the low anger review rated the review as slightly more helpful. He said what? Low anger. Low anger means this one, the black. Yes, it's better. Look, more helpful. More helpful than the no anger. Yes, more helpful. It's higher than it. So the first part is right. Whereas participant who saw the high anger review rated the review as less helpful. The high anger, less helpful. It's lower. So this may be right. And it will support this. Participant who saw the low anger review rated the review as slightly more helpful than participant who saw the control review did. Yes, this is more helpful than this. Let's continue. But participant attitude, I don't need attitude. Cancel. Compared with participant who saw the low anger review, Participant who saw the high anger review rate the review as less helpful. Yes, we know that high anger, less, and had less positive attitude. I don't care about the attitude. So the answer is B. Clear, guys?
Mister.
Clear, Suba?
Yes.
Number 3, what he want? He want to support the researcher conclusion. Find the word concluded here. I don't care about all of these. Okay. Okay. Okay, I do care about from here. The researcher concluded that increased competition drove bavadonolide, mean that when there is too much competition, bavadonolide will be released in a higher amount at the expense of growth, and growth will be less, okay, in high competition. So here he said the difference in average tadpole body mass, that the growth was small between the low and medium population. Low and medium. We're talking about body mass here. Yes, it's lower. As you can find here, the difference in average tadpole body mass was small between the low and medium. Yes, it's low. Look, it's near to each other. Density condition and substantially larger between the low and high. Yes, between low and high. Look, 2000 or 258. Here 193. Yes. Okay, but the problem that here he show only the body or the growth. What about the bavadonolide? He doesn't mention it, so it's wrong. Tadpole in the low and medium population density condition had substantially lower average bavadonolide. In low and medium, the bavadonolide is less. The bavadonolide is less than the high. Concentration, but had greater average body masses than those in high population density condition. Yes, the body mass, as you can find, it's bigger in medium and low. So maybe this, and here we mentioned bavadonolide, and we mentioned the body mass or the growth. C, tadpole in high population density condition displayed a relatively modest increase in the average amount of bavadonolide. Yes, in high, more bavadonolide, but roughly double the average bavadonolide concentration compared to those the low population density condition. Yes, it's double. It's double. But the problem, he didn't mention body mass or the growth. D, tadpole produce approximately the same number of different bavadonolide toxin per individual across population density condition. No, they are not the same. They are not the same. They are different. So the answer is B. This is number 3. Clear, guys? Lights, clear? Lights. I know when I call you lights that you're not concentrating. Lights.
Yes, Mister.
No, concentrate with me, lights. Leave mobile, leave anybody that you're talking to him right now, okay? Clear, lights?
Okay. Yes.
Number 4. Let's find. He said here, complete the statement. Thank you. The easiest. Here, according to the table, all 3 participants wanted the room to be cooler. Yes, all of them need to be cooler. Let's find. And they each reported the same level of comfort? No. Here -2, here 1, only one, number 1 and 21, they had the same. But 20 is wrong. Even though each participant rating varied throughout the day, where is throughout the day? It doesn't mention here throughout the day. Nothing here mentions throughout the day. And the varied, it's not varied. Because here we have 2 that they are the same. But participant 20 reported feeling significantly colder than the other 2 participants did? Yes. Number 20 is colder. But participant 1 reported feeling warmer than the other 2 participants? No. Participant 1 like participant 21. So the answer is C. Okay, number 4, no one got it wrong. Number 5. What he want? He want to support Jung and colleague conclusion. Where is concluded here? So here he said, the researcher concluded that introducing a paywall is generally more beneficial for larger newspapers, which have high circulation and tend to offer a substantial amount of unique online content. Wait, I want now to prove that the paywall is beneficial for larger newspaper. So if I want to support this, I must mention the small newspaper. So it's beneficial for larger newspaper and not beneficial for small newspaper. So let's find. The Chicago Tribune, yes, it's large. At the Los Angeles, it's large. Times had similar total revenue change. No, here 12.5. Here. 93 and 94, yes, it can be similar. But Los Angeles, that is large. Times had smaller percentage change. Yes, I know, it's smaller than this. But the problem now, I'm comparing the large to each other. I need to compare large to small. Let's find B. The Los Angeles, that I know that it's large. Times has a 12.5% revenue change. That right. Why is the Chicago Tribune? That it's large also. No, I need large and small. The New York Times had a 20% revenue change. New York Times is large. While the Denver Post, it's a small, had a negative 1% revenue change. So that means it's beneficial for large and not beneficial for small. So my answer is right. The Denver Post had only a negative 1% revenue change. Denver Post is small, which was the smallest percentage change of the selected companies. Whereas large is not found. So the answer is C. This is number 5. Clear, Sarah?
Clear.
Number 6. I want to support the researcher conclusion. Where is conclude here? So the researcher concluded that the correlations with velocity are stronger than those with density. Easy. So I know I need to support that velocity is bigger than density. Okay, let's find here. The correlation between congestion rating before the obstacle and density is farther from 0. And the correlation between overall congestion rating and velocity is, I'm sorry, here density is bigger than velocity. No, I need the opposite. Velocity bigger than density. Let's find B. The correlation between congestion rating before the obstacle and velocity is farther from 0 than the correlation between congestion overall and velocity. I'm sorry, he compared velocity to velocity. I need velocity bigger than density. For each of the 3 ratings, the correlation with velocity is negative, while the correlation with density is positive. Okay, that means that density here, that density is bigger because it's positive. No, I need velocity is bigger. For each of the 3 ratings, correlation with velocity are farther from 0 than the corresponding correlation with density. Yes, so now velocity is bigger than density. So the answer is D. No one got this wrong. Let's go to number 7. What he want? He want to justify the underlying claim only. I need justification for the underlying claim. Here he said the number overall has fallen since 2010. Do you need to read more? Wallah, I don't need. I need only to support or justify that the number overall since 2010 has fallen, has decreased. Okay. The newspaper published approximately 1,000 investigative articles in 2010. Yes. And approximately 500 in 2019. Yes. And like that, it's falling. That right? The smallest annual number of investigative articles published in the newspaper during the period shown is approximately 1,600 in 2013. I know that's right. But where is the part that shows that it's declining? Where is the part that show? Because here 1,600 is not declining. The declining is here. And where is the overall period? And actually the information is wrong. This is not the smallest. The smallest is 500. The greatest annual number of investigative articles published in the newspaper during the period shown is approximately 1,000 2017. It's not the greatest. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Because the greatest is this one. The newspaper published approximately 1,000 investigative articles in 2010, and that right, and approximately 1,600 in 2013. I need to show that it's falling. Here it moved from 1,000 to 1,600, so it's decreasing. So the answer is wrong. No one got it wrong. The last one. I want to complete the statement. Okay. So I'm gonna take the last sentence. Microbial oceanographer Sonia Deichmann and colleagues believe that as the lava plunged nearly 300 meters below the surface, it dislodged pocket of this nutrient, releasing it to float upward, giving that so when the lava go down to 300 meters, this nutrient will go up. But what kind of nutrient that he's talking about? So because that I need to read to know what kind of nutrient he's speaking. Because now I have two nutrients, nitrate and phosphate. So let's find which one he's talking about. After volcanic eruption, it spilled lava into North Pacific Ocean waters. A dramatic increase of diatoms, a kind of phytoplankton near the surface occurred. Scientists assumed that the diatoms were thriving on nutrients such as phosphate. He talked about phosphate, but just wait. Don't hurry. Complete. From the lava. But analysis showed these nutrients weren't present near the surface. So it's not phosphate. Informed diatom can consume. However, there was an abundance of usable nitrate. So now I know that the nutrient is nitrate. But let's continue. A nutrient usually found in much deeper water and almost never found in lava. Yes. So I need to find that near lava, when it plunges 300 meters, the nitrate will go up. So I'm looking at nitrate only. At 5 to 45 meters below the surface, the average concentration of phosphate, I don't need phosphate, was about the same in the seawater and the lava affected. I don't need phosphate, so it's not the answer. For both depths, range measured, the average concentration of nitrate, okay, that right, were substantially higher in the seawater in the lava affected area. Yes, I need it in the lava affected area. In the lava affected area, it's higher, as you can see. Then the seawater outside the lava affected area. Outside the lava affected area, I don't care. But I need to know that the lava, when it go out, it will plunge nitrate. This is right. For both depth range and measured in the seawater, in the lava affected area, okay, we're talking about this part. The average concentration of nitrate was substantially higher than the average concentration of phosphate. I'm not comparing nitrate to phosphate. I don't need to know anything about phosphate. In the seawater outside the lava affected area, I don't need outside, I need inside. There was little change in the average concentration. No, I need inside, not outside. So the answer is B. Clear, guys? Guys? Elias, this is the second time that I start calling you. I told you concentrate. I'm not speaking to myself. Clear, guys?
Clear, clear.
Clear, Saba?
Yes.
Okay. That was the quiz that Aya didn't do it. Hannah didn't do it. Lamar al-Masri, Limar, Mayar, and Yusuf didn't do that. I'm going to send you the answer for this one. And let's go to the second skill, main idea and details. And we covered some of the question, and I gave you others as homework. And I didn't ask you to send. The others, I didn't ask you to send. I didn't write anything on it. Let me send this for you now. Yes, it's here. Okay, that was the homework that some of you solved it already. Now I'm gonna go to the sheet of main idea and details. And I asked you last time to solve as homework, but I didn't ask you to send it from 5 till 9. From 5 till 9. May you write the answer for number 5, please, on the chat box? Write the answer for number 5 on the chat box. I got the answer from Siba. From Hannah. From Sarah. From Yusuf. From Mayar. From Limar. From Laith. From Najib. From Lamar. Okay. We have only one that he or she solved it wrong. Let's find. What is the main idea? The first sentence, the last sentence, I don't care about the introduction. It's only one sentence here, as you can see. It's only one sentence here, as you can see. Rose Saxon, the queen of romance comics, was at her drawing board in the garage of her house in Bloomtown, New York. Okay, only. Reveal specific information about Rose's conflict later in the passage. I didn't talk about any conflict here. Provide a brief introduction to women's comic book industry. She said only that Rosa was the queen of romance comics, but it didn't give me anything about women's comic book industry. Reveal key details about the main character. Yes, it can be Rose. And setting is the place. We're talking about her house in Bloomtown, New York. Of the passage, that right? It give me idea, main character, information about main character and the setting. Provide a flashback to Rose's life before she became a wife and mother. I didn't know. He didn't tell me that she became a wife and mother or not. So the answer is C. Clear, Sabah?
Mister, I sent you to see.
Where?
Oh, I mixed up between B and C, but I wrote it as C. Like I solved it as C.
It came only Sabah B. No other Sabah came to me.
Yeah, it's by mistake. I was gonna write C. I solved it as C, but I wrote it here by mistake.
Yes, but this is what we said before, Sabah. In the test, this will happen. Because of that, you have to concentrate, okay?
Yes.
Number 6. It was homework also. I think you solved this homework, Sabah, or not?
Yes, I solved it and I sent you the answers also.
Okay, so let me see. If you are sending it C, I'm gonna change the analysis.
I sent it to you as B, but I remember when I solved
Okay.
it, I picked this answer. Well, I picked this answer.
Yes, I can't find. I just want to support your point. Okay, no problem. Start right now. Write the answer for number 6. I got the answer from Lamar. From Hannah. From Limar. From Mayar. From Sarah. From Yusuf. From Siba. From Najib. From Lays. This time I have 1, 2, 3 got it wrong. The main idea, forget about the introduction, take the first sentence and the last sentence. If you
Mister, I
miss,
did not solve.
who didn't solve?
Me, Mister, I'm still solving. I'm picking up the answer.
This Lamar?
Yes, Mister.
You wrote something, Lamar. You wrote, but I
What
didn't.
did I write?
No, okay. This before. I'm sorry. Yes.
It's okay.
Okay, waiting for you, Lamar. Okay, Siba change. And Lamar answered. Okay, now we have the 1, 2 only that they got this wrong. They can listen to me. Hannah. Oh, okay. What did you write before? Okay, Hannah changed. Let's find. Yes, I saw it. The first sentence and last sentence, you still have time. The two that they got it wrong. This is not to pretend that we have everywhere been successful enough or that we have not made mistakes. The last sentence. Lamar change. We know that our cause is just, that history is a story of social revolution, and that the poor shall inherit the land. I'm going to start. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here he said acknowledge shortcomings. Yes, he mentioned shortcomings up, that they are not all the time successful or they don't make mistakes. No, they make. So these are shortcomings. Yet expressed a firm conviction about the strike. Yes, he said we know that our cause is just. The history is a story of social revolution and that the poor can inherit the land. So it can be A. Establish the credibility of the group that is overseeing the strike. We didn't talk about any kind of credibility. Reiterate means to do it over again and again. The claim that the strikers are not different from other individuals in society, we didn't talk about that. Recognize an argument made by critics of the strike and present example to refute it, even we didn't talk. But we are sure about that they convinced that they have shortcomings and weaknesses, and also they believe in their strike. So the answer is A. Hannah, clear?
Mister, I don't understand it. I even read the whole text. I never understand anything.
Okay. Here, Hannah, if you're going to find in the beginning, it looks like someone is writing about a group. That he said that we are not going to say that we are always successful. And we're not going to say that we are not making mistakes. So, like that, he acknowledged that they have shortcomings, that they have weaknesses. Okay, Hannah? The last one, he said, we know that our cause is just. That why we are doing that? Because we are fair. That history is a story of social revolution. And that the poor shall inherit the land. That means that they are the poor that will inherit the land, that will take the land by the end. So that means that they have a firm conviction They believe in what they are doing. Okay, Hannah? Clear, Lamar?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Let's go now to the question after. Question 7. Main idea also. I got the answer from Sarah. From Limar. From Yusuf. From Hannah. From Mayar. From Siba. Where is the rest? Where is Lays? Lamar al-Masri? Najib. From Najib. Waiting for Lays and Lamar al-Masri. From Lays. Waiting for Lamar al-Masri. And from Lamar. I have only one person that got this as a mistake. I'm going to just highlight and I'm going to count to 5. Here, the first sentence. Here, the last sentence. He said the key is in how rock and their chemistry it change with each successive layer. The last one. The final layer carries huge amount of rare earth elements and very little niobium, together making the clarion mark of the subduction zone lava. Here he talk about the chemistry change for the rocks. Okay, now all of you got it right. So a subduction zone form, yes, we're talking about the formation of subduction zone. The chemical composition of the lava change, they're right. The subduction process involves a sequence of cooling and heating lava. It wasn't mentioned here. Increasing depth, heat, and pressure can accelerate the subduction process. I know that I'm talking about subduction, but he didn't mention that. Rushmer and Turner were primary concerned with the chemistry of rocks. He didn't mention even those scientists. So the answer is A. Perfect, guys. Number 8. Your answer, please. Number 8. I got the answer from Hannah. From Limar. From Mayar. From Yusuf. Sarah. Siba. Waiting for the rest. Najib. Waiting for Laith. And Limar. I think Lamar. Laith and Lamar. I got it from Laith. Waiting for Lamar. and from Lamar. Perfect, all of you. The answer is right. Let's find the main idea. First sentence, last sentence. He said here NASA's Kazani probe has detected an unusual wobble, strange wobble, where in the rotation of Mimas, Saturn's smallest moon. The last sentence. The researcher believe other moons should be examined. We have to examine it to see if the two might have ocean hidden beneath their surface. So now we know that this moon has a kind of ocean. Let's find. Rodin and colleague were the first to confirm that several of Saturn moons contain hidden ocean. No, he said we should examine. We should examine. So they didn't confirm. They never confirmed. Research has failed to identify sign that there is an ocean hidden beneath the surface of Mimas. No, I think they found. I think they found in Mimas. In Mimas. Rodin and colleague created a new computer model that identify moons with hidden ocean without needing to analyze the moon's rotation. This is not our concern. Research has revealed that an oddity means unusual, strangeness in the rotation of Mimas could be explained by an ocean hidden beneath the surface. Yes, because here he said in the conclusion that we have to examine other moons to find if there is ocean beneath their surface. Perfect, guys. The last question. I got the answer from Hannah. From Sarah. From Limar. From Mayar. From Siba. From Najib. From Yusuf. From Lays. Waiting for Lamar al-Masri. From Lamar. Unfortunately, we have 1, 2, 3. 3, they got it wrong. They have time actually to change their answers. Again, the main idea. First sentence. Last sentence. He said to protect themselves when being attacked. Hagfish. Jawless marine animal that resemble eels will release large quantities of slimy mucus-like threads. Okay. Here he said the researcher want to reproduce the thread. So the main topic is the thread. The main topic is the thread in the lab because farming hagfish for their slime would be expensive and potentially harmful to the hagfish. I'm gonna count to 5. 1. Siba changed. So now we still have 2. Yusuf changed. So now we still have 1. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hagfish are not well suited to being raised in captivity. I know that he said it will be expensive, but this is not the main thing because we do care about the threads. We do care about the threads. The ability to hack fish to slime their attackers compensate for their being goalless. I know that it was mentioned here, but it's between two dashes, mean that it's not important. It's not essential. Hackfish have inspired researchers to develop a new petroleum-based fabric, maybe because we're talking about the thread. The slimy thread that Hackfish release might help researchers create a new kind of fabric, maybe because we talk about the threads. So what we're gonna do right now, you have to read the whole text. Let's find here. Because these threads are unusually strong and elastic, scientists Otusku, Negishi, and her colleagues have been trying to recreate them in a lab. Recreate them in a lab as an eco-friendly alternative to petroleum-based fiber. It's an alternative. But here, unfortunately, he said new petroleum-based fabric. It's alternative, بديل. So the answer is D. Clear, Hannah?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not going to give you the quiz as homework because people are not doing it. You're going to solve now the quiz. The quiz of main idea and details right now. And you're going to send it to all the question together. You're going to send it to the chat box.
Mister,
Yes?
can you tell me from where to open the quiz? I
No,
didn't
I'm going
find
to
the
send
link.
it now to the group. Still, just make the account on the website, and whenever I'm going to upload something, I'm going to tell you have to log in this course, okay?
Okay, can you type in the link of the website?
I didn't join the link with all of you.
No, I didn't find the link in the group or
Okay.
in the live chat.
It's here. Just wait. Where is the other group before you? Here. Yes, it's here. Copy. All of you, please do links. Do your own link, but you have to fill in the information. Put real picture for yourself. I'm not going to accept anyone that didn't put his real picture. If you do have a real picture with your mobile, take a shot for yourself and just put it on the group. Not the group, I'm sorry. In the website.
Mr. Which?
What?
Mr. Which website?
I sent the link.
Yeah, okay.
But now you're gonna do the quiz. I send the quiz before the website.
So should I do an account now?
Not now, after we finish. Now I want the test. I want the answer for the quiz.
Okay.
There are 9 questions. 9 questions for the central idea and details. Big picture and details. 9 questions. I want the answer for them right now. Take care that we have 2 sub-skills for this one. 2 sub-skills. One of them is the main idea, first sentence, the last sentence. You start eliminating. And if you find that 2 answers are accepted, you can go back to the text, but don't erase the elimination. Done. The elimination is done. And the other one is detail. Look like reading comprehension. Waiting for your answer. Waiting for your answer on the chat box. Not one by one. No, I need the 9 questions together.
Mister, and I solved the PDF. Then after the session, I go to the link.
No. Yes, but after the session. Now solve the PDF and send me the answer on the chat box.
Okay.